We first shared our small Christmas tree in a basket back in 2015. Since then, every holiday season, we get a lot of questions about this tree in a basket, so we're sharing the details. We use a wide basket for our tree. This one is from Target. You want to be sure it's wide enough for your tree stand to fit in. You'll need some kind of container in the basket to catch water if it spills over, and prop your tree up at the right height inside the basket. We use a vintage enamel basin, but we've used an upside-down bucket with a shallow bowl on top in the past. And then a small tree. And yes, ours is a live, cut tree. We buy ours at Wegmans, our local grocery store. I've also seen them at Home Depot. The stand comes attached to the tree. This vintage basin is perfect for this basket. I can wedge it in without it sitting all the way at the bottom, so the tree sits high enough in the basket. And then the tree just sits inside the basin. And for watering, we can easily lift the tree out and add water to the stand. The hardest part is remembering to do the watering.